iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this mobile comes with a lot of features. First of all, it comes with a 6.7 inches of bigger Super Retina XDR display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate display. So finally we are seeing 120Hz in iPhone, and it was protected by the ceramic shield glass. And when we talk about the processor, it comes with the A15 Bionic chip, which is a 5nm based hexa core processor. Yeah, great processor in Apple devices. And when we talk about the variants, this is the section we have to take a look. This mobile will be available in 4 variants: 6GB RAM 128, 6GB RAM 256, 6GB RAM 512GB, and 6GB RAM 1TB internal storage variants. For the cameras, it comes with the quad cameras at the back side, 12 megapixels of main wide angle, 12 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, 12 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, and a 3D lidar scanner. So probably 3 cameras. And for the front, it comes with the 12 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera. When we talk about the battery, I know the exact image of this battery. This mobile comes with a 4373 milliamps of battery, supports 20 watts of fast wide charge and 15 watts of MagSafe wireless and reverse wireless charge up to 7.5 watts. So that means we can also use the mobile to reverse charge other mobiles wirelessly. And when we talk about the other features, this comes with stereo speakers, not loud speakers, and this mobile does not have a 3.5mm jack. When we talk about the 5G, this is the mobile that I've seen in having a lot of 5G bands in every of the mobiles. This mobile comes with the 26 bands of 5G bands, yes. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with a face unlock ID, and this mobile was protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass at the back side and ceramic shield at the front, and it comes with aluminum frame. And when we talk about the other features, like this one comes with Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6E dual band Wi-Fi support. So these are the major features of this mobile. So yeah, wait until the mobile releases. By the way, you will also get you won't be getting a charger with this mobile included in the box. So yeah, this mobile starting price will be around 1,20,000 rupees. It can go all the way up to 1,40,000 rupees. So that's the video, and this mobile will be available in 3 or 4 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below. So that's the video. That's it. Subscribe to the channel.